On.
G'day, I'm Bob from Paradise, and today we're going to have a look at this Costus spiralis. It's a spiral ginger. There's a lot of different types of ginger, and if you look at this one, it has its flowers on the ends of the branches. And if looking closely here, we've got actually the colourful bract, which is a red bract, and each of the bracts has got a lot of scales like a pine cone, and out of the scales comes the flowers. This one's got two, there's a couple more coming up there, but under each of these scales a beautiful little pink flower will emerge. Now on some of the other Costus, the flowers are also on the ends, and if you look across the plant there, you can see all these little heads of flowers coming, or bracts which have individual flowers coming out on them, one at a time, but every scale will have a flower. So some of the Costus will have their flowers right at the base of the plant. Different shape altogether, it might be green with white flowers and yellow. But this one, Costus spiralis, spiral ginger, and there are a few types of spiral ginger, not all the same as this one. But this is the Costus spiralis. Now, a really interesting thing about this plant, when this flower dies off, you might see this one here, see the flower has died off here. Here's a dead flower down in here. When the flower dies off, it actually grows these new plants, and the weight, as it grows the new plants, and you see they've got roots and all. If we just come in closely here, you can see they've got roots. After it's flowered, these new plants form on the end, and the weight, this is the way these can multiply. Not that they're a problem plant, because they do it slowly, but the weight of it brings it right down to the ground, and the new plants, they've got roots on them, they'll grow. If we come over, just over here, we can see here's one here that's got 4 or 5 new plants on it. So it's a good way to get new plants, and the weight of it's bringing it down to the ground. As it hits the ground like this one here has, you can see this old cane here, and here's a new plant. It's hit the ground and the new plants are coming up. So that's an amazing thing, and quite a few of the gingers will actually do that. Not all of them, but there are quite a few. So today we've had a look at this beautiful ginger, suitable for warm areas, hates frost. If you've got frost, don't worry about it. But if you've got a warm, frost-free area, generally along the coast or a very protected spot somewhere, this is a good goer. Likes moisture, but all gingers can take a period of dry because they're accustomed to a wet season, and they're a pretty tough plant. You'll find they also grow off a cutting, this particular ginger. Not many gingers do, but this one does. So if you have a good look at that, I think you'll find that's a really beautiful plant, right down a bank. They do get to about 2 meters high, and they're a very popular plant throughout the warm areas of Australia. So that's all we've got for today. Until next time, we'll catch you later.